The power of forgiveness in marriage, healing, and moving forward. Welcome to our channel. In this powerful and heartfelt video, we delve into the transformative power of forgiveness within a marriage. Whether you're facing minor misunderstandings or major relationship challenges, learning to forgive can be the key to healing and moving forward together. Marriage is a beautiful journey filled with love, joy, and shared experiences, but it is not without its hurdles. Every couple encounters moments of conflict and hurt feelings, but the true strength of a marriage lies in how partners navigate these rough patches and grow closer through forgiveness. Remember to leave a comment below and share your thoughts and experiences. We love hearing from you and engaging in meaningful conversations about love, relationships, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button and let's begin this transformative journey together. Why is forgiveness important? Often people equate forgiveness with weakness, and it is widely believed that if you forgive someone, you're condoning or excusing their behavior. However, in marriage, forgiveness is a strength because it shows you are capable of goodwill toward your partner. Studies indicate that forgiving someone is one way of letting go so that you can heal and move on with your life. Forgiveness is about giving yourself, your children, and your partner the kind of future you and they deserve, unhampered by hurt and anger. It is about choosing to live a life wherein others don't have power over you and you're not dominated by unresolved bitterness and resentment. It's important to consider that forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. Here are 7 ways forgiveness can transform your marriage. 1. Write down 3 ways negative emotions have impacted or are still impacting your marriage. Be aware of negative emotions that you have not yet processed. Talking to a close friend or therapist can help facilitate this. 2. Find a way to dislodge yourself from negative emotions. Examples include therapy, yoga, improving your physical health, and practicing expressing thoughts, feelings, and wishes in a respectful way. Resentment can build when people sweep things under the rug, so avoid burying negative feelings. 3. Take small steps to repair and let go of grudges. According to Dr. Gottman, the number one thing that prevents couples from building trust and emotional attunement is the inability to bounce back from a conflict in a healthy way. The number one solution to this problem is to get really good at repair. He tells Business Insider that you've got to get back on track after a disagreement if you don't want issues to fester. 4. Accept responsibility for your part in the interaction. One person's ability to do this can change the dynamic of the relationship. Darcy, Julie, and John Gottman explain that one person's response will literally change the brainwaves of the other person. Apologize to your partner when appropriate. This will validate their feelings, promote forgiveness, and allow you both to move on. 5. Don't let wounds fester. Challenge your beliefs and self-defeating thoughts about holding on to hurt feelings. Processing what happened will allow you to let resentments go so you can move on to a healthier relationship. Keep the big picture in mind. 6. Accept that people do the best they can. This does not mean that you condone the hurtful actions of others. You simply come to a more realistic view of your past. As you take stock, you will realize that all people operate out of the same basic drives, including self-interest. 7. Think like a forgiving person. Practice forgiveness by actively thinking like a forgiving person. Avoid holding grudges and declare you are free to stop playing the role of victim. After all, we are all imperfect and deserve compassion. Practicing forgiveness will allow you to turn the corner from feeling like a victim to becoming a more empowered person. Experts believe that forgiveness can allow you to break the cycle of pain and move on to a healthier life. Keep in mind that forgiveness takes time and has a lot to do with letting go of those things you have no control over. Is forgiveness a two-way street? Forgiveness, indeed, may be a two-way street. Look at it this way. In any situation, there are likely to be at least 2 parties. When we talk about marriages or relationships, there are, for sure, 2 parties. Regarding marriages and relationships, it is also safe to assume that everything cannot be one person's fault. While one person may have to shoulder most of the responsibility of the event that has caused damage to the relationship or their partner, it may be an amalgamation of various events or incidents that led to that. In that case, forgiveness has to occur from both parties, since both parties have been wronged or hurt by the other's actions. If only one person forgives the other while the other holds on to the hurt, the relationship will likely experience trouble sooner or later. Why is forgiveness the best form of love? Forgiveness may be considered the best form of love because it goes on to show that the love someone has for the person they are forgiving is unconditional. It says that you accept them for who they are. It also says that you do not expect them to be perfect. Forgiveness means you understand that the other person is human and bound to make mistakes. However, it also means that you trust the person to learn from their mistake and not repeat it in the future. Trust and acceptance may be the most important underlying virtues of love. Therefore, forgiveness is considered the best form of love. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself and your partner, and it can lead to a stronger, more loving, and fulfilling marriage. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Contact us at brand name Abondant Life today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from our channel.